Imagine sliding behind the wheel of the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. Yes, it's back and more ferocious than ever. This family SUV isn't just a utility ride, it's a thunderous statement on wheels. Cue the engine. That familiar 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8 roars to life, cranking out 710 horsepower and 60-45 lb-ft of torque, propelling this three-row beast from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds. It's a bullet train in SUV form with a top speed pushing 180 mph. The new Durango Hellcat remains unapologetic in style. It sits on 20-inch performance wheels wrapped in sticky rubber, blacked-out spoilers and badges accentuate its aggression, and quad exhaust tips growl like a race car unloading. Inside, Alcantara and leather sports seats hug you tight. A massive 14-inch Uconnect screen puts engine data, launch control, and performance pages at your fingertips. The real thrill. Dodge confirmed that the Hellcat lives on through the 2026 model year, despite rumors it was exiting the stage. In fact, a rumored Hellcat Plus variant may even push past 800 horsepower. Expect pricing in the $95K to over the $100K range for fully loaded Hellcat models. Behind the mystique is rugged capability. The Durango Hellcat pairs its insane power with a capable towing ability, up to 8 700 libs, perfect for hauling trailers, boats, or even another track toy. It packs 7 drive modes, from track to tow, so it transitions smoothly from weekend warrior to daily driver. Fuel efficiency isn't its strong suit. Expect 12 mpg city and about 18 mpg highway. But that's the price for owning a modern muscle SUV. Community chatter is real too. Reddit users praise the Hellcat's power, but mention quirks like oil consumption risks if factory brake and protocols aren't followed. Regardless, the feedback shows just how passionate the owners are. So here's the emotional pull. You've got a 3-row SUV that seats 6, crushes drag strip numbers, and tows heavy loads without feeling overwhelmed. It's a performance sedan and SUV in one thunderous package. A package no one really thought could exist. Would you dare drive this to school drop, off, or the beach? Would you pick the raw Hellcat or wait for the rumored Hellcat Plus with even more output? Let me know in the comments. Where would you take this beast first? If the Durango Hellcat just made your pulse race, smash that like button, subscribe to Brake Limit Z, and hit the bell so you don't miss what comes next in automotive insanity. This is where extreme meets everyday. Catch you on the next ride.